Makla represent. Yeah, the same one. Money we are free for the hero.
Yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with JoeBlack. If this is your first time on my channel, I just want to say thank you for clicking this video in the first place. I really appreciate it. While you're here, I hope you like it enough to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright? And in the process, remember to tell a friend, And for all my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you guys for the continuous support. In today's video, I'm just gonna make a quick coconut curry salmon. Right? Quick and fast, not too long. Soon come back. Welcome back, everyone. So here we have our ingredients that we're gonna be using in our coconut curry salmon. Right? So here we have some garlic, some chopped garlic, some pimento berries, spring onion or scallion as we call it. We have some carrot chopped, some thyme, half of an onion, some bell pepper. So we have green, we have yellow, green, and red. Alright, so that's the ingredients, and we have our salmon seasoned already, and our season is from this morning. Right, so it could marinate properly. And we have some coconut milk. I'm going to be using some curry paste, and that's curry paste that I made. So that's homemade curry paste. So let's go. The first thing I'm going to add to the pot is the coconut milk. Alright, so this is 4 minutes and the coconut are going like you want to boil over, so we're fixing business. Alright, I like that. Never boil over. Alright? And as long as the wooden spoon over it, alright, they say it stay. Like, nah, boil go no further than this. So. Just like that. So that's a trick for you guys as well. Some pimento berries, right? And then the next thing I'm gonna add is my curry paste, right? So let me see if I'm gonna add all of this, or I'm just gonna add a bit. All right. Mix this in. We get what color we are look for. Alright. So we get what color we are look for. We're not add no more. Alright, so that is the color. I think that's a beautiful color that we can work with. Now we are gonna add with salmon. It's only 3 pieces, right? Good. Okay, a whole heap of space. So we'll cover that. Season into the pot. That's my garlic, onion, scallion, and also dropping more carrots in as well. Alright, so now this may have some mixed seasoning. So we have some all-purpose, some jerk seasoning, some onion powder, garlic powder, and fish seasoning, alright? So just I'll drop some of it. So 1, 2. Left. In this we're gonna add with bell pepper or sweet pepper. Right? If you look on it closer, yeah. And this is how we pull the plug on this. I'm gonna come back when I show now with the dish out, alright? I'll soon come. This is our finished product, our coconut curry salmon, and I'm sharing this with some vegetable rice along with some lettuce, tomato, and some fried plantain. Right? And yeah, like I think this looks so lovely, and the flavor bursting out is so amazing. Yeah, but I just want to say, guys, thank you for watching again, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and just drop a comment, tell me what you think about this. All right, thank you, guys. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, first time on my channel, I just want to say thank you for clicking this video in the first place. Thank you for the love, thanks for the support, and while you're here, hope you like this enough to give it a thumbs up, and click subscribe, click that notification bell, and also share with a friend. Just tell a friend to tell a friend, right? And to my returning subscriber, thanks again for all the support, and thanks for the love. Thanks for keeping me motivated in order to be posting video every week. Thanks. Alright, I really appreciate it. And this is where I'm gonna bounce. So thank you guys again, and until next time, walk good. I love you.